Hello friends, welcome back to Fit and You. Today we will know about the point of origin and insertion of four different upper leg muscles, which are the sartorius, the pectineus, the gracilis and adductor longus. Also, we will know how to increase their flexibility by stretching and then different exercises for strengthening them as well. So keep watching till the end. The sartorius muscle is the longest muscle in the entire human body. It is located in the inner thigh region and is a thin band-like muscle. It arises from the anterior superior iliac spine, similar as the TFL muscle. It is shortly and commonly known as ASIS, A-S-I-S. After its arising, it then descends. Then it twists and inserts into the knee, exactly at the medial side of the tibia. Functions of sartorius. It helps serves four functions, 3 at the hip joint and 1 at the knee joint. This can be explained by one body movement as follows. Okay, I will give you an example. Well, in my childhood, as a punishment, my teacher used to make me stand on one leg with the other leg placed on the knees of my first leg. You would be wondering why I am telling you. Well, I am telling you this because think what all were the movements which I was doing. First, at the hip joint, I was flexing my thigh to raise the leg, right? Second, I was moving my thigh towards the midline of the body, correct? Third, I was simultaneously with the above two laterally rotating my thigh or away rotation of my thigh from the midline. So these three movements were at the hip joint. And also fourth, at the knee joint, it helps flex the leg, that is pulling the foot and the ankle towards the knee of the opposite leg. Well, so these are the four basic functions which the sartorius does. The name of the sartorius, it is derived from the Latin word sartor, which means tailor, as in those times tailors used to sit cross-legged, making sartorius function more. Also, you all can see in many yoga asanas, the teacher sits cross-legged. This is only possible because of the sartorius muscle. The pectineus muscle. The pectineus muscle arises from the pecten pubis and also from the surface of the bone just in front of it. The major function of the pectineus muscle is to flex the thigh towards the body and also rotate it towards the center. The gracilis muscle. The gracilis muscle is a long strap-like muscle that passes from the pubic bone to the tibia in the lower leg. Its major functions are two. The first function is to adduct the thigh, that is, move the thigh towards the center line of the body. And its second function is to flex and rotate the leg medially towards the center of the body. The adductor longus. The adductor longus is a long triangular muscle that runs from the pubic bone to the femur. Its function is to adduct the thigh and assists in flexing and rotating it to its side. Very similar to the gracilis function, but remember, this assists in flexing of the thigh as well, which the gracilis doesn't. Now, how to increase the flexibility of the sartorius muscle by stretching. Kneel down on one leg with the foot of the other leg in front. Example as shown in picture 1. Put one hand on your glutes, the hand which is on the same side of the leg which is kneeled down. And then put the other hand on top of the knee which is in front. Now push your hip forward with your torso firm and straight as shown in the picture 2. You would feel the stretch across the sartorius. Hold it for 30 seconds and repeat this 3 times for each leg. Another way of stretching the sartorius is by standing on one leg and pulling back the foot of the other towards your glutes by hand. This exercise also you hold for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat each side 3 times. Now, how to increase the flexibility of the pectineus muscle by stretching? Fairly easy. Stand with legs wide apart. Shift your weight on one side, allowing your knee to bend until it is over your foot. You would feel a stretch across the leg which is straight. Now hold it for 30 seconds. Repeat it for the other leg, completing one set. Do 3 such sets of 30 seconds each. Now, how to increase the flexibility of the gracilis and the adductor longus? Why I am taking both the muscles together is because I am going to tell you about 2 different types of stretching which targets both these muscles at the same time. So, first, stand with your legs wide apart and then hold for 30 seconds. It's fairly easy. Repeat this 3 times. The second, you can do another variety basically of this by sitting and splitting your legs. You will feel a stretch across the gracilis as well. Hold it for 30 seconds and repeat this for 3 sets. Now we will learn about the strengthening exercises for the sartorius, the pectineus, the gracilis and the adductor longus. First, the exercise for the sartorius. In this, you have to do side lunges. Side lunges, 15 repetitions in one set and 3 such sets. Second, the exercise for the pectineus. In this, you will have to first lie down in a side plank position and have to do the bottom leg lift. But remember, while doing the bottom leg lift, what is important is to turn your foot outward, that is away from the midline of the body. Do 15 such repetitions and 3 such sets of 15 repetitions each. The third, exercise for the gracilis. Similar to the pectineus exercise, but only difference in this is you will have to do the leg lift, that is the bottom leg lift, and remember to turn your foot inwards, that is your foot should be rotated medially towards the center of the body. And the fourth, the exercise for the adductor longus. Same, you will have to do side plank position. You will have to go to the side plank position and then have to do the bottom leg lift. But in this, instead of rotating it outwards or the inwards the foot, you will have to keep the foot straight and parallel to the ground. This also you do 15 repetitions and 3 sets of 15 repetitions each. Thank you friends for watching this video. In this video particularly, I kept in mind to keep the exercises, both the stretching and the strengthening, very easy so that each and every one of you, whoever are watching this video, can perform it easily from your home. Keep fit, remain fit and be blessed. Thank you everyone. Please press the bell icon and subscribe to this channel to get more videos. Thank you everyone.